So good afternoon, guys. It is almost 1 o'clock here on Tuesday afternoon, and I will be discussing today's severe weather threat. So we have this line over northern parts of Michigan and to southeast Wisconsin and northern Illinois. We have actually more storms starting to fire over here. And this line will generally go east to east southeast into Michigan and to the early to mid parts of the afternoon. It'll actually die out by the time it reaches Lansing, Flint, and areas east because we have the Cape is not in place later on this afternoon by 5 or 6 at Eastern time. So those storms actually, when they reach Eastern Michigan, will die out. So anyways, the main area we're looking at today is pretty much all in here. This is mostly a later afternoon threat with another, well, along the same line, but more storms will fire about 4, 5, 6 Central Time, and those will blossom as well. So hold on. So very quick, this is the 7 a.m. run of the NAM. It's about 2 hours behind actually from where it is now. So this is a little behind. I'll quickly look into the weather. So like I said, that line in Michigan, that dies out by Detroit, but we have this new area in central Illinois that kind of develops central Illinois into Indiana. I'll quickly look into a weather sounding here really quick. So we have a good wind field here. We got southwest. So pretty much all this is the hodograph. This is the hodograph. It's pretty much just this wind field on the end of the sounding here put onto a graph. So we can look to actually see what the winds are with height. So we have surface, that's where it starts. We have surface winds of 20 plus miles per hour out of the south-southwest. Actually, I think this is, believe it or not, is in knots, but close enough. We have the mid-level winds, which usually are right in there. In general, we pretty much pair it with right. Anyways, so the mid-level winds are 40, 50 plus knots out of the southwest. So we definitely have the hook hodograph, which means there's plenty of wind shear in place. And then go down here. The main issue we have this little mini temperature inversion layer, which causes a cap to be in place that pretty much impedes storm growth. And that's the reason why it's not as heightened as what it would be if we had no cap in place. So it's wherever that red line, the temperature line, either goes across or meets the parcel line in the mid levels of the atmosphere. Low to mid level, we're at 850 here, so there's a little mini cap in place. But besides that, instability is good. Instability is a calculation of the area between the parcel tip and the temperature line there, and we have 1800 here. So that's literally the breakdown of all this. So like I said, with the Cape, we have more Cape in place here after these storms that are occurring right now use up most of the Cape that is in place. So by 5, 6 Eastern time, those storms will run out of juice, and by 6 or 7 Eastern time, we'll be pretty much just a line of just pure thunderstorms. Nothing too severe, but we have this new area Cape, like I said, in Illinois. Check the storm relative Felicity with the wind shear. Wind shear in place, this pretty much shows wind shear. So it's obviously prevalent. This is at 6, so it doesn't show what's in Michigan right now. Look at significant tornado parameters to show you guys. I'll click on the main area here. So yeah, we don't have that cap in place of the greatest amount of that. We have actually a little more Cape as well, so we have a better weather sounding for that. I'll quickly show you guys the wind. Look at the dew point real quick, just out of curiosity. Yeah, we're 60s to even 70. Let's look, 850. Oh yeah, look at this belt of wind here. This whole belt. I'll circle that area. Look, see how that's just pretty much straight out of the southwest. We'll go up a little bit more into 700. Kind of pair it along here. Yeah, it's more westerly flow, right on the line here. So we definitely have some shear between that, shown in the hodograph. But anyways, I think I'll stop that there just before I get even more detailed with all of this. So anyways, this is the HRRR at 6, as you guys can see. These storms all across are still going on, but they will eventually die out, and these will probably take over a little bit more from 5 to 8 or so. But anyways, that's about all from now. Chicago will probably be anywhere from like 3 to 6, probably around there, maybe even a smidget earlier. Probably 2 to 5, and then East Central Illinois will be more like 5 to 8 or so. Anyways, that's all for now. Main risk are damaging winds, some hail, and a tornado too cannot be ruled out. So anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, as always. Thanks.